In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the AliExpress platform, focusing on a common issue many users encounter, understanding why a payment might fail. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to AliExpress, knowing how to quickly resolve payment issues can save time and reduce frustration. Let's dive right in. First, you want to begin by visiting the AliExpress website. Simply open your web browser and enter the URL. Once the page loads, you'll notice the vibrant colors and dynamic banners showcasing various deals and products, a typical scene for any major online marketplace. Feel free to take a moment to look around if you're new here, as AliExpress offers a treasure trove of products from numerous categories. But our focus today is navigating to the help section, so let's stay on track. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the account section. This is typically represented by a small icon in the upper right corner of the homepage. This section provides access to all your personal account information, order history, and settings. It's essentially your dashboard for managing interactions with AliExpress. From there, the next step is to click on the Help Center. The Help Center is your gateway to finding solutions to common problems and queries users have. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering articles and support on a range of topics, whether it's tracking an order, managing returns, or solving technical issues. The Help Center is a valuable resource for all users. Once you're inside the Help Center, look for the Payments section. Payments are critical to the shopping experience, and thankfully, AliExpress provides comprehensive guidance on resolving issues related to them. Click on Payments to explore the resources available. If you're experiencing a payment problem, this section is tailored specifically to help you understand and solve it. One of the most common inquiries within this section is understanding why a payment might fail. Click on the link that says, "Why did my payment fail?" This will take you to a detailed explanation of the potential reasons behind payment failures. It ranges from issues with credit card details to vendor-specific problems or even technical glitches on the platform's side. Understanding these reasons can help you troubleshoot it effectively. Perhaps your card was declined by the bank, there's insufficient balance, or maybe there are issues with the payment gateway. Each potential error comes with suggested solutions or next steps, helping ensure your shopping experience continues smoothly. By following these steps, you can better navigate the AliExpress platform and address common payment concerns. It's all about knowing where to find information and taking proactive steps to solve issues as they arise. Hopefully, this guide makes your journey with AliExpress a bit easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.